Today I am reviewing the Yamaha CD-S303 single CD player. If at any time you'd like to explore this CD player for yourself, be sure to check the link in the description. If you're someone who appreciates true audio fidelity and still loves the charm of physical media, the Yamaha CD-S303 single CD player is a brilliant choice. Designed with Yamaha's signature attention to detail and craftsmanship, this CD player strikes a perfect balance between timeless simplicity and modern audio performance. Let's start with design. The CD-S303 is beautifully minimalist. Finished in sleek black with a clean, uncluttered front panel, it's designed to complement almost any hi-fi setup without calling too much attention to itself. But don't let the understated look fool you. This machine is packed with powerful features that enhance your listening experience. One of the standout features is the high-performance DAC, or digital-to-analog converter. Yamaha has equipped the CD-S303 with a high-precision DAC that reduces distortion and minimizes noise. This means your CDs will sound exactly as they were intended, clear, crisp, and full of dynamic range. Whether you're listening to classical music, jazz, or classic rock, the audio performance is warm, detailed, and immersive. But this isn't just a player for CDs. Yamaha has thoughtfully added a front-facing USB port, allowing you to play digital music files directly from a USB flash drive. It supports a variety of formats, including MP3, WMA, AC, LPCM, and even FLAC, which is great news for audiophiles who demand lossless audio. This versatility ensures that the CD-S303 is not just stuck in the past. It's very much ready for modern music libraries too. And yes, it plays CDR and CDRW discs as well. So if you got custom or burn discs, they'll work just fine. The laser pickup floating mechanism is another small but critical detail. It ensures more accurate disc reading, reducing tracking errors and improving playback consistency over time. Yamaha has also included a remote control, making it easy to operate the player from your couch or favorite listening chair. The interface is user-friendly and intuitive, and the controls are responsive, whether you're navigating USB folders or skipping tracks on a CD. The output level is solid, with a clean 2 volts plus or minus 0.3 at 1 kHz and 0 dB. This ensures compatibility with most amplifiers or stereo systems without needing a preamp or extra gear. It connects easily with your existing audio setup, and the build quality is exactly what you'd expect from Yamaha: solid, sturdy, and built to last. One area where the CD-S303 truly shines is in its soundstage and separation. Even when playing compressed formats like MP3s, this player manages to bring out nuances in the music that lesser systems might blur or miss entirely. The highs are crisp without being shrill, the mids are balanced and full, and the bass is tight and controlled. So, who is this CD player for? If you have a cherished CD collection and want to experience it in a way that respects the original recording quality, this is the machine for you. It's also perfect for those who are building or upgrading a hi-fi system and want a reliable, great-sounding CD source component with USB flexibility. In conclusion, the Yamaha CD-S303 is a modern classic. It combines timeless functionality with contemporary features, making it a fantastic choice for both old-school CD enthusiasts and modern digital music lovers. With Yamaha's long-standing reputation for audio excellence, this is a product that delivers not only great performance, but also lasting value. If you're ready to bring your music collection to life with warmth, clarity, and fidelity, this is one of the best single CD players available in 2025.